Talk for me.
This.
Turn up the fire phone. Look here. Look on the stage and I say stop the crime and violence. Oh gosh, man. I don't want crime and violence stop. Go so. May I look? Come on, look. The whole way I look. Shaman. All I want is see crime and violence stop, however, save communities in Hellshire, on the beach, up on the hill, Hellshire Park, the whole of Hellshire. Me not see no hand yet. Me not see nobody with no hand. What the phone light on them there? What the phone light them there? Look, I look for a positive song for me now. Come here, venture something before Super come talk to Funny for your phone to the people. Let me tell you this. All I want to know, my corporal, all of the communities that have a neighborhood watch program, yeah, they're part of the process. I wonder how the police talk like this, not true? I'm the first to hear this. I don't see it that way before for the first time, and again. You understand, my people they don't have no hand, you know, they don't have no phone. I won't buy them their phone. I don't work hard for your phone. Let me see what I'm going on now. Let me see what the big phone and the phone that come in and buy from foreign. Alright, nothing wrong. Everything alright. Alright, squeeze some positive and bug a song and play now. Now we have to hear something, talk something, squeeze something, let me see what I'm going on. Hellshire! Sit here! Sit here! One of the firemen, I'm going to sing something positive to Hellshire now. Let me tell you this. Let me tell you! Hellshire! Burn it up! I really bugging me without just one song. Don't worry yourself. I'm gonna tell you, I'm not alone. The boss, the big boss, St. Catherine South boss. You'll never see a boss like this before in a policing. Right? SSP, Christopher Phillips. Trust me, I tell you, man, trust me. When you talk about an officer that comes in a community, and you can see that level of care from that level of policing, and I can tell you something different and something new is happening. And we're going through every community in St. Catherine South. You know our building? Safe community. So at this time, I'm not talking next minute on the fire phone before I call on my big boss. SSP Phillips, come say something to the people. Please, my boss. Come say something to the people. Cynthia?
I love this.
Good night, Hellshire Park. Give me a better one. Good night, Hellshire Park. Alright, for those of you who don't know me, I am Christopher Phillips, your Senior Superintendent of Police in charge of the St. Catherine South Division. I think I like the vibes here. Somebody say hooray for this vibes, please. I like it. No, Hellshire Park, I couldn't help but notice your message. Stop the crime and violence in our community. Earlier today I sent out a message to the entire St. Catherine South community appealing for these communities to put the guns down and find, amicable way to resolve their issues. Because sometimes you look at it, you really don't know what they're fighting for and who stands to benefit in all of this. The funeral parlors stand to benefit in all of this. I want to commend Mr. Francis Frano. Big up yourself, Frano, for this initiative. I am really impressed. Initiatives like these help to build relationship in your community. And one thing I like is that you have the children here. You're not leaving them behind. So I want to commend Hellshire Park for this initiative, and I hope that you will continue to enjoy the show. I see you have some positive artists here. If it's never one thing, I just take them on tonight, you know. What I say, take them on? Take them on. Hello, give me a rhythm or something. What you want me to take them? I can't take them on in anything, you know. I'm not that fast. Hello, give me this stir fry something. I wonder any youngster want to challenge me with this stir fry. Come on, come. You see, I can't leave and not give you something, right? Because you have been so good. I like the initiative, I like the vibes. And I just hope that you'll continue to enjoy this kind of camaraderie and relationship that you have been building. Hellshire, the entire all Hellshire, we're just coming from Sandhill and they're having a similar engagement around here. So I see that positive things happening in Hellshire. Alright, give her the stir fry.
Alright, thank you very much. Salute. Give thanks to the officers them. Asia Las Vegas. It's a wonderful moment when the officers them can pass through and share that type of love.